Hi, I'm Holly, and I'm from Spend with Pennies. This is a Greek tortellini salad. It's just really vibrant and beautiful. You have the base of the white tortellini, and then you have all kinds of color from tomatoes, you've got green cucumbers, you've got red bell peppers, black olives, purple onions. I wanted to take that salad and turn it into an entire meal. So you're gonna start with 1 pound of fresh cheese-filled tortellini, and you're gonna boil it according to package directions. So it's usually about 6 to 8 minutes. Once it's boiled, you're gonna drain it, and then you're gonna run it under cold water to stop it from cooking so it doesn't get mushy and overcooked. And you're gonna let it cool completely. Once that's cooled, you are going to chop all of your vegetables. So you're gonna start with grape tomatoes. You're gonna slice them in half. And then you are going to chop cucumbers. You're gonna do the same with green and red pepper. You are going to chop them about a 1-inch chop. The next ingredient is feta cheese, and feta cheese you can purchase already crumbled. And finally, the last ingredient is red onion, and this recipe just uses 1/3 cup so that the onion doesn't overpower. And then you're going to take a large bowl and you're going to combine all of the ingredients together, and on top of that you're going to pour approximately 1 cup of Greek salad dressing. You can use your favorite homemade Greek dressing if you have one. And you're gonna toss it all together. When you're mixing a pasta salad, you're gonna wanna make sure you add extra dressing because the pasta itself will soak up some of the dressing as it sits. This is a great recipe for people who aren't very well versed in the kitchen, such as my husband, who is very good at dishes though, to be able to put together, as it's just requires chopping a few vegetables, cooking some noodles, and tossing everything together with a store-bought dressing. To find the recipe, head to spendwithpennies.com.